In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Sheets Chrome. We will use a built-in Google Sheets template that gives you a simple spreadsheet-based way to track customers, companies, and sales opportunities. Start by going to Google Sheets in your web browser. Once you are on the Google Sheets homepage, look near the top for the Template Gallery. Click Template Gallery to open a full list of pre-made templates. These templates save time because they come with ready-to-use tabs, sample fields, and basic automation built in. In the Template Gallery, find the template called Customer Relationship Management and click it. Google Sheets will create a new spreadsheet based on that CRM template. Give it a moment to load because it may include multiple pages and formatting. When the template opens, click Highlight. This option helps bring attention to key sections so you can quickly see the areas you will work in most often. It is useful when you are first learning the layout because it makes important fields stand out. Next, click on the Dashboard tab. The dashboard is your high-level view. It is designed to summarize what is happening in your CRM so you can review progress at a glance without digging through rows of data. As you add information in other tabs, the dashboard will reflect those updates. Now click on the People tab. This is where you track individual contacts. Enter details consistently, such as names, roles, and any notes that help you remember context. A practical tip is to keep formatting uniform, because clean data makes sorting and filtering more reliable later. After that, click on the Companies tab. This section is for organizations connected to your contacts and deals. Keep company names consistent, especially if multiple people belong to the same organization, so your records stay organized and easy to search. Then click on the Opportunities tab. This is where you track deals or potential sales. You can use it to follow progress over time and keep your pipeline visible. Update this tab regularly so the dashboard stays accurate. Finally, click on the Settings tab. Settings is where the templates' rules and configurations live. Review it before making major changes, since small adjustments here can affect how information is displayed across the CRM. That covers everything you need to know.